Trees, 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 written and illustrated by Nancy Noel Williams. Look at this tree. Did you know it began as a seed inside an acorn? The seed grew into a seedling, and the seedling became a sapling. After many years, the tree was bigger than a house. What else can we learn about trees? Let's find out. Do you see the seeds in the seedling? First, did you know that trees have three main parts? They are the crown, the trunk, and the roots. The crown is made up of the leaves, the branches, and twigs. Sunshine helps the leaves change water and carbon dioxide into food for the tree. The woody stem of the tree is the trunk. Inside, water travels up through the wood to the leaves. Small roots that live under the ground take water and minerals from the soil, and the bigger roots prevent soil from drifting away when hard rains or winds come. Trees drink water like straws through the stems. Trees grow anywhere there is soil, water, and sunlight. They grow in parks, on patios, and next to sidewalks. They grow in wet and swampy places, in the mountains, and even in the desert. A large group of trees growing together is called a grove. An even larger group is called a forest. Forests are homes to thousands of different kinds of animals. What kinds of trees stay green all year long? Evergreen trees stay green all year long. Palm trees have hard, broad leaves or leaves like fans. You'll find them in warm, rainy climates. Spruce and pine trees have sharp green needles. They can live in both cold and warm places. What kinds of trees lose their leaves? Deciduous trees. Deciduous trees shed their leaves each year. The leaves turn red, orange, or yellow before they fall off in autumn. Maples, elms, and oaks are deciduous. What food grows on trees? When you want a sweet snack, you can pick an apple, a cherry, or a peach from a tree. When you want a sour snack, choose a grapefruit or a lemon. Crunchy walnuts or pecans are delicious too. What animals live in trees? Birds of all shapes and sizes build nests in the branches or trunks of trees. Squirrels dart in and out of knotholes. A mother raccoon keeps her babies safe in a den. If you're lucky, you might find a frog hiding in a tree. What is the biggest kind of tree in the world? Well, the biggest kinds of trees in the world are the giant sequoia trees. They are the largest, widest, and nearly the tallest trees. Coast redwoods are taller. You may see them growing in the Sierra Nevada mountains in California. The General Sherman tree is the biggest tree alive on Earth. It is 275 feet tall and is more than 2,000 years old. What do you call this tiny kind of tree? Bonsai trees. Bonsai trees are tiny trees. Bonsai is a Japanese word that means a tree planted in a pot. Gardeners prune them to look just like great big full-size trees. How do we enjoy trees? During the summer, we can picnic in the shade beneath a tree. We can build a tree house and pretend it's a pirate ship. We can swing on a rope from a high branch in a tree. On a cold winter day, we can build a snow fort around our favorite tree. We can collect pine cones and make an art project or hang a bird feeder from a branch. How can we learn the age of a tree or how old a tree is? Trees grow a new layer of wood each year. If there is a lot of sunshine and rainfall that year, the layer is wide. If it is a bad year, the layer is thin. When a tree falls, the layers look like rings or circles. You can count the rings or circles to see how old the tree is. We need to take good care of our trees. Without trees, the air wouldn't smell as sweet. We wouldn't have the delicious snacks they provide or the happiness we get from them all year. Trees give us so much. So when you have a chance, Say thank you. Plant a new tree. The end.